Today I had to harvest all the rest of my jalapenos because, well, we are definitely in fall. Fortunately, we have had a little bit of a warm snap, so I didn't lose my jalapenos, but it's time to harvest all of them, and I didn't want to waste them because I am a little bit obsessed with jalapenos. I don't know why, but I love the crunch, I love the flavor. I have made jalapeno salt, which that will be in another video on how to do that. I got that idea from a great friend. And also, well, this one as well, pickling the jalapenos. My friend Malia, she does all the amazing homesteader things and is teaching me how to do them as well. If you hear a noise in the background, it is the oven cooling down.
Oh, so that is.
My oven is very loud.
Yes, it is.
But my mom came over to help, and what were we busy in the kitchen doing a few minutes ago?
Chopping.
Chopping up a lot of
Peppers.
and garlic, and we had on gloves because when you're cutting up peppers, if you're not careful, they actually make my hands burn.
It said it could burn your fingers.
Yes, and for a long time, I have accidentally touched my face, ended up with what felt like swollen lips. So just be careful and put on some gloves.
Yes.
But what we did was we chopped them, and everyone has their own personal preference. Some people like them a little bit thinner. I like mine a little bit thicker. And we took out a lot of the seeds, but not all of them, because I like some heat. This was a different recipe for me, so I'm sending my mom home with some and saving some for us. I have never made jalapeno pickled peppers with apple cider vinegar before, so this is the first time. I'm hoping that they're delicious. I like them with distilled vinegar, but I wanted to boost a little bit more in the health department, getting that good enzyme function for gut health. And apple cider vinegar is an amazing way to do that. By combining these ingredients, we are actually supporting a healthy gut. And since I am a nutrition and wellness coach, gut health is my niche. I want to make sure that we get all the good things in our refrigerator that are supporting the gut. So the jalapenos, I put in some banana peppers and garlic, sea salt. We used apple cider vinegar, cut that half water. So I doubled it because we have a lot, and so I did 2 cups water, 2 cups apple cider vinegar. I mashed up some garlic, and I did about 4 cloves, but you can do as much garlic as you want. I love garlic. I also threw some garlic in with the peppers. We did 2 teaspoons of sea salt. I'm using Redmond. I added 2 tablespoons of honey crystals. So a lot of people aren't familiar with what honey crystals are. It's dehydrated honey in combination with dehydrated sucanat, which is sugarcane natural. The other thing that we are having, I just wanted to include our dinner because we're on this chili kick. And this recipe is very similar to the one I already have on the website, but I made my own chili powder, and I actually took red pepper flakes. I ground them into chili powder, and then I added the cumin, and I added jalapeno salt. My jalapeno salt, delicious. My husband keeps saying this is the best chili ever. I'll have to agree, this is the best chili ever. But what we're having it with, these are the hot dogs that if you watch my video about our little Halloween family get together, this is the same hot dog that we use there. They're grass-fed, grass-finished, doing good things for your body. No nitrates, no nitrites, and a little beef is actually very healthy for the gut. And then we are putting them on my homemade hot dog buns, and I'm going to toast those with some butter on them. And we're doing it kind of like what we used to call chili size.
Right.
So we used to would have a bun, a hamburger bun. This one's just hot dog. And then we would have a hamburger, and we would cover it with chili. So we're just swapping out the hamburger for the hot dog.
Sounds good.
Covering it with chili, having a delicious dinner. It's a little bit chilly outside, kind of rainy, cloudy. So it's a little bit of a comfort dinner. I hope that you are enjoying these DIY videos. This recipe is incredibly simple, and the thing that's the most time consuming,
Chopping it.
chopping up all of those jalapenos. So the only reason why you're heating up the water and the vinegar is to make sure that everything is incorporated, including the sugar. And so then you just pour it over to the top, to the tippy top, put the lid on, and you can store it in your refrigerator literally for months. So
Yes.
one thing that I love about it is it stays good for a long time.
That's good. Yeah.
So let me know in the comments if you have made some pickled things with apple cider vinegar and what you thought about it. This is the one with the mother, legit, doing it right, great gut health, amazing enzymes, prebiotics, supporting gut health. So thank you guys so much for watching. If you would not mind sharing my content with people, telling people about me so that my platform can continue to grow. And if you are struggling with gut issues, I have an intake form on my website. You can reach out to me, and my first consultation is free, and then we can talk all about how I can help. I have helped so many people with IBS, IBD, diverticulitis, colitis, all kinds of gut health issues, even just basic bloating, hemorrhoids, things like that. And guys, healing is for real, and it's for you. So thanks so much for being here, and you guys have a great day. I guess it's evening. Have a great evening.